In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a team in Microsoft Teams. If you've been trying to collaborate with colleagues or classmates, joining a team in Teams can streamline your communication and project management, making your work more efficient and organized. Whether you're new to Teams or just new to a specific group, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start with getting you signed into Microsoft Teams. You'll want to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the Sign In button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your account details. It's important to use the account associated with the team you're trying to join, which might be your organizational or school account. After you've successfully signed in, your next step is to navigate to chat. This might seem a bit counterintuitive if you're looking to join a team, but just bear with me. The chat section provides access to a range of communication features in Teams, one of which will be key to joining your new team. Now you'll want to look for the option that says Invite to Teams. This is where things start to get exciting. Clicking on Invite to Teams opens the door to joining the team you've been invited to or wish to join. It's essentially your gateway to becoming an active participant in the team's activities and discussions. Once you've clicked on Invite to Teams, your next action is to click on Copy. This will copy the team's invitation link to your clipboard, which is essentially a digital key to enter the team space. This link is what you'll need to share with others if you're inviting them or use if you've been asked to join a team. Finally, the last step is for you or the person you're inviting to paste this copied link into a web browser. This action opens the link and essentially unlocks the door to the team in Microsoft Teams. By following the link, you'll be brought directly into the team, where you can start participating in discussions, accessing files, and collaborating with other team members. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of joining a team in Microsoft Teams. Remember, Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that can significantly improve your productivity and simplify the way you work with others. Use the features within it to collaborate effectively and make your team experience as enriching as possible. Don't forget, staying organized and keeping open lines of communication are key to making the most out of Microsoft Teams. Take advantage of the channel structure to keep conversations topic focused, and don't hesitate to explore the wealth of integrations and features available within Teams to enhance your teamwork and project management. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in Microsoft Teams.